Mastering FDA 21 CFR Part 11. Your organization's existence depends on grasping 21 CFR Part 11's purpose. Why is it essential to comprehend the purpose of 21 CFR Part 11, and how its guidelines influence their operations within our organization? Achieving operational excellence through 21 CFR Part 11 compliance, a comprehensive guide. The purpose of 21 CFR Part 11 is to ensure the authenticity, integrity, and reliability of electronic records and electronic signatures in regulated industries, such as pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and medical devices. As an organization operating within these industries, it is crucial to comprehend the principles and guidelines of 21 CFR Part 11 to maintain operational excellence and avoid regulatory non-compliance. Understanding the scope of 21 CFR Part 11. 21 CFR Part 11 applies to electronic records and electronic signatures that are created, modified, maintained, archived, retrieved, or transmitted under any records requirement set forth in the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act or the Public Health Service Act. This includes, but is not limited to, electronic records and signatures used in Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, regulated operations. Good Clinical Practices, GCP, regulated operations. Good Laboratory Practices, GLP, regulated operations. Pre-market approval, PMA, submissions. Investigational New Drug, IND applications. New Drug Applications, NDA. Key components of 21 CFR Part 11. To achieve operational excellence, organizations must implement the following key components of 21 CFR Part 11. 1. Validation. Validation is a critical component of 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. It involves verifying that electronic systems, including hardware, software, and networks, are functioning as intended and producing accurate and reliable results. Validation must be performed during the development, testing, and implementation phases of electronic systems. 2. Audit trails. Electronic systems must maintain audit trails that record all changes, modifications, and deletions to electronic records. Audit trails must be secure, tamper-evident, and accessible for review and inspection. 3. Electronic signatures. Electronic signatures are used to authenticate electronic records. They must be unique, traceable, and linked to the electronic record. Electronic signatures must also be protected from unauthorized access and modification. 4. System security. Electronic systems must have robust security measures in place to prevent unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction of electronic records. 5. Retainable, legible, and accurate records. Electronic records must be retainable, legible, and accurate. Records must be stored in a secure and controlled environment, and they must be readily accessible for review and inspection. 6. Training and documentation. Personnel involved in the creation, management, and maintenance of electronic records must receive training on the use of electronic systems and the requirements of 21 CFR Part 11. Documentation of training and procedures must be maintained and updated accordingly. Influence of 21 CFR Part 11 on operations. 21 CFR Part 11 guidelines have a significant influence on operations within an organization. Some key operational benefits of complying with 21 CFR Part 11 include: improved data integrity. 21 CFR Part 11 ensures the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of electronic records, which is critical for regulatory compliance and business decision-making. Enhanced security. 21 CFR Part 11 requires robust security measures to prevent unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction of electronic records, which protects sensitive data and prevents cyber threats. Increased efficiency. 21 CFR Part 11 promotes the use of electronic systems, which can streamline processes, reduce manual errors, and increase productivity. Better compliance. 21 CFR Part 11 ensures that organizations are compliant with regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of non-compliance and potential penalties. Improved collaboration. 21 CFR Part 11 facilitates collaboration and data sharing among teams, departments, and partners, which can improve communication and decision-making. Implementing 21 CFR Part 11 in operations. To implement 21 CFR Part 11 in operations, organizations should follow a structured approach, which includes 1. Gap analysis. Conduct a gap analysis to identify areas where current operations do not meet 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. 2. Policy development. Develop policies and procedures that outline the organization's approach to 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. 3. System validation. Validate electronic systems to ensure they meet 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. 4. Training and documentation. Provide training to personnel on the use of electronic systems and the requirements of 21 CFR Part 11. Maintain documentation of training and procedures. 5. Audits and inspections. Perform regular audits and inspections to ensure ongoing compliance with 21 CFR Part 11. 6. Continuous improvement. Continuously monitor and improve electronic systems and processes to ensure they remain compliant with 21 CFR Part 11. By understanding the purpose and guidelines of 21 CFR Part 11, and implementing the key components and operational changes, organizations can achieve operational excellence and maintain regulatory compliance.